In today's video, I am going to teach you how to print drawings on a 3 and a 4 size paper in AutoCAD. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up your printer or PDF driver. Choose the correct paper size. Frame the area you want. And get a clean preview before you commit to a print or a PDF. Start by opening the plot settings. You can type plot in the command line, or press Ctrl+P. This opens the plot dialog, which is the control center for everything you are about to set. First, choose your printer or plotter. If you are creating a PDF, select a PDF device, like DWG to PDF.PC3 or AutoCAD PDF General Documentation. These options reliably expose the full set of ISO paper sizes and produce consistent results. Next, set your paper size. From the paper size drop-down, pick ISO A4, which is 297 by 210 mm, or ISO A3, which is 420 by 297 mm. Choose the size that matches the sheet you plan to use or the standard requested by your project. If your title block is designed for a specific size, match it here. Now define what part of the drawing you want to print. Under What to Plot, select Window. Your cursor will let you click and drag a selection around the exact area to include typically your drawing extents and title block. Leave a small margin so nothing is clipped by the printer's unprintable edge. Adjust the plot settings to position and scale your output. Check Center the Plot to automatically align your selection on the sheet. For quick prints where scale isn't critical, enable Fit to Paper and AutoCAD will scale the window to fill the page. If you need a precise scale, turn off Fit to Paper and set a custom scale, such as a standard engineering or architectural ratio. From the drop-down so dimensions remain accurate. Choose your plot style, select Monochrome, CTB if you want a clean black and white output, which is common for documentation and helps emphasize line weights. Choose None to print in color if your drawing uses color to convey meaning. Make sure your line weights and layers are set appropriately for the style you pick. Set the orientation to landscape or portrait. Landscape usually suits a 3 sheets and wider layouts. Portrait works well for taller or A4-oriented drawings. Before finalizing, click Preview. Check for correct orientation, margins, line weights, and that nothing is cut off. If it looks right, close the preview and click OK to print. Or, if using a PDF device, to save your file, THTAs all to it. Thanks for watching.